Hi, ladies and gentlemen. Good afternoon, good morning, good evening to all of you. Thank you for joining me again today. It's a very awesome day already. I can feel it. I have a good feeling that today is going to be the best day of our trading life. Okay, I just feel okay. All right. So, guys, how's it going? Today, of course, I finished all the analysis alone. I just want to play it out and just want to see it play out, and then we are done for the day. Okay. Then we meet again at a few minutes before NYSE open to just look at market and what market it has in stock for us. So what I'm basically gonna do is to trade uh New York session open. After trading New York session open, then if we did not make profit or we are not able to cash any trade, then I'm gonna be online until this news is released. But then if we happen to make any profit during this live session, then most likely I'm gonna end the stream and trade CPI news on my own. Okay, so let's pray for profit so that I can take maximum advantage of CPI news. Just for that break at a critical time, we have less than 2 minutes for us to know whether we're going to be profitable or not. Okay, so this is the play. I'm expecting to happen here. I don't expect an uptrend, but then if we see an uptrend, definitely not a bad idea, right? So if we get an uptrend, I'm going to take a buy only above 1927. That is 1.01927. That is where I'm going to take buy from only. Okay, that is for Euro USD. If we see that, okay. Otherwise, what I'm expecting to happen here is a very sharp fall for price to hit this level, right? Very sharp fall for price to hit this level. Perhaps move down, extend to this level as well. So let's see if we can secure a break because I'm expecting a fall, and then after that fall is going to find support somewhere and then move backwards, right? If it moves backwards, then that is going to retest some this area, right? So let's see how this works out, guys. Let's see. If I may say, I think what I should be looking out for is a sharp fall, and then we get in at the retracement, at a retest of this area. Okay, I think that's a better plan. So that's what we're gonna do for Euro USD. And for NAS, I don't think NAS is ready, guys. NAS is not ready at this time. You can see what's going on here. Basically, a break away from this level is actually going to give us only 30 pips until the next level. If we go to 15 minutes, basically, we're going to see this. Price may drop all the way to this level, which is going to be just 38 pips. It's not worth anything, right? So let's just see how this plays out. It's better to wait for NAS until the news time. That's what I'm suggesting about NAS. But then for sure, NAS is dropping. That's for sure. Okay. So let's see Euro USD and see. All right, this is 4 o'clock already. Dubai time. That is 8 a.m. New York time. It seems price is respecting this level. It's finding support at this level for price to continue going up. I don't know. But then we shall see shortly how it plays out. This is up to 10 pips after all. So if I see a buy, actually, as some sort of correction for this fantastic formation here, I'm going to take a buy if I see a buy only. Okay, just I'm going to hope for 10 pips. Once I hit my 10 pips, it's pretty much very awesome. For NAS, nothing you can see technically, nothing is happening, but for sure NAS is moving down. Look at this formation. This is a very awesome formation right there. Let's see. So let's see what price is doing. So if you're looking at NAS the other way around, you're going to see that we are almost stuck at a very important level. Look at this level. This is a very important level. Can you see what price is doing at this level? So it makes sense for us to wait for either price to break below certain level here for price to continue going down up to 250 pips, or we can actually wait for price to break above here, do some consolidation, and keep going up, giving us about 180 pips. Okay, let's see, guys. Let's see. Okay, these are the two I can actually talk about now. Nice. It seems EURUSD is going to give us some little bit of opportunity to harness 10 pips. I just want 10 pips, man. 10 pips, 10 pips. I'm not greedy, right, guys? I'm not too greedy. I just want 10 pips. But then, but then again, it's not doing that. It's doing it. It's not doing it. What the hell is wrong with you, Euro USD? Why have you decided to waste our precious time? I think at this time I need to join this to these tops. This line, I need to join this to these tops. Okay, it's too tall. So big a line. Okay, nice. Let's look at it again from one. Yeah, nice. It's looking better now. Yeah, nice. Yes, looking better now. So there is still very huge potentials for buys to happen first, to occur first before sales. So if I see any indication of buys, definitely for sure, like no doubt, I'm gonna take it for 10 pips. Let's hang on in there. New York session is open. Nothing. Absolutely nothing. I don't see the volume, guys. I do not see the volume. If you see the volume, please, or maybe if you saw the volume, please show me the volume so I can trade that volume as well. You know what I mean? Okay, let's see. Okay, I like what I see here, but then I can't just get into NAS because of 30 pips. I want to have a better vision for NAS. If I can see 100 pips, 150 pips, then I can get in. Then if I don't like what I see, I would then get out at 30 pips. But getting in basically because of 30 pips is an error. I believe everyone understands what's actually going on my screen. My screen these days is becoming complicated, unfortunately. Normally, my screen used to be the most clean. My chart used to be the neatest, but these days, what I want is profit, not neatness, right? This gives me profits. When my chart is dirty, it gives me more profit than when it's not dirty, right? In the next 27 minutes, we're going to see CPI, core CPI, month over month. I guess that's the month of months or something like that. Nice. I love what I see. If this guy closes bullish, guys, I'm taking my 10 pips. If it closes bullish, I need I need to take my 10 pips. Of course, we have to do that with wisdom, guys. Not just being there and hoping for 10 pips. What if 10 pips doesn't come? Are we going to kill ourselves? No, we get out. Okay, it seems that 10 pips is not happening. For some reasons, best known to Gregory. Our 10 pips is not coming. If you know, you know. Okay, let's see. Okay, it seems price is going down all the way. Seems price is going down all the way. So what I see for NAS is something of this nature. Price coming all the way to hit this line and then jumping back down. I don't know. NAS, I think the best time to take NAS is when core CPI news is released. Okay, I think that's the best time to trade NAS as it stands now. Before I used to have this understanding that for every channel that goes downwards, the breakout point is normally is usually above. But then recently I started seeing that it doesn't necessarily mean channels should be seen as some sort of consolidation. It doesn't matter whether it's rising or falling, right? See it as consolidation, so that if it breaks out, you'll have the mind to open positions, right? So here I'm biasless now. If I get a break above here, it simply means one thing, that it is actually a breakout of the channel, and price will come all the way to 1865, and then subsequently to 1917. Okay, so it makes sense to take advantage of that. Keep it simple. Keep it simple. I know when I say keep it simple, what comes to your mind? Boy, your chart is not simple, guys. It's simple. Believe me when I say that. It's very simple. It's very, very simple. It's super simple, in fact. Let's look at this a moment, guys. Let's look at this. Join in here. No, it's just useless. We hoped for volume, but unfortunately, volume did not come. Didn't come. Should we end the stream? I just, I've not, never like, I'm not trying to scare anybody away, but then I've never used this strategy on any news. Okay. So I don't know how it's going to react to news. So it's better we all be careful. Okay. Especially with news, heavy news such as inflation. Sorry. Heavy news such as CPI. Man, what point is NAS actually trying to prove here? Yeah, just like I expected. This is what I expect to happen in Euro USD, but it's taking longer time, and it seems it's going to happen. And if it's going to happen, it's just going to take one stroke. It looks like it's going to take one stroke of candle to make it happen on Euro USD. Euro USD, if you understand the way it moves, you're going to fall in love with it. I normally take trade only German index and NAS, but since I discovered what Euro USD could do, I felt, I added it to my, list of portfolios. So if we had taken a trade the moment we saw this, the best place to have taken a trade was not above here, because you never can tell. It was here, just at least just useless. This is not Euro USD, man. So better be careful. Nothing to see. Nothing to see. Apart from the fact that we have weak rejection here and these weeks here, I don't see anything that is preventing price from falling. But on the other hand, weak rejection is actually enough reason for price to drop, to uh, not to fall. I mean, for price to reverse. But then we can't be sure until we are sure. The only way to be sure is to wait for this magic happening here to finish. If it finishes, then we can. But my only worry here is that price is moving and eating into our profits, our estimated profit level, right? So for some reasons that is best known to it, just gradually eating into our estimated profit level or whatever. Now the plan remains: if price falls to this place, we're not going to take any trade. Okay, what we need to see, if price drops, then we have to wait for proper confirmation for us to take adequate advantage of this level. Okay, maybe price drops here, and then let's see what I expect to happen if price is going to fall. It's going to fall all the way and then go back, consolidate and break out. This breakout is where I want to get in, so that price is going to continue down all the way down to hit this trend line and level. Okay, so this is going to be my entry. That is if price is dropping, and this is going to be my TP. But if price is going up, awesome and amazing, then if I take a trade here, I'm going to jump out at 10 pips. I just don't want this candle to eat into. That's what I don't want, man. This is what I hate. I hate this, man, because it just finished my profits. You should give me some space to grab some profit, man. Come on. Just guys, size your lots, your positions. Just decide how many lot sizes you want to use and hang on in there. If we get price, the next candle to cross here, the moment it's crossing, is going to be an impulse entry. We jump in impulsively and harness 10 pips and jump out. Okay. If you don't know me before now, I'm a scalper. That's the best form of trading that I enjoy so much. I love it so much. I love it. Scalping is in the blood. Okay, I hope you guys are set for this. What is coming? So this is what I'm looking for. Okay. Fortunately, it has eaten into the profit and then expanded our stop loss, assumed stop loss as well. What to do? I'm like, what to do? Nothing. Just have to grab it and run away. Okay. So this is it. This is it. This is it. Let's see. Break above like this. Yeah. Is it gonna break? Is it gonna break? Do not get into any position until it breaks. If it doesn't break and you get in, you're on your own. Don't say that I ask you to get in. Okay. Allow price to break out. If it doesn't break out, then it's not your trade. It's not my trade. Ooh, NAS is looking awesome, guys. NAS really needs to learn a thing or two. It needs to not learn, it needs to show us a thing or two, which is breaking out and going back to retest this range here. If it doesn't do that, then it's not my trade. I'm gonna skip it. Euro USD. Euro USD. We're still waiting. 10 pips. Now it's 9.9 pips. We want 10 pips, nothing short. Okay, so if price pierces, slips through our stop loss, then we have to close the order. Okay. You may not understand what I'm doing until it happens. Okay. Had it been this high here was broken, one single stroke of candle is going to give us our TP and we are out of market in less than 1 minute. Believe me when I say that. One single stroke of 1 minute is going to give us our TP and we're out. So NAS is doing fine, doing pretty fine. I love what it's doing. Wow, 15 minutes closed, bearish. Nice, nice. I love what I see. Alexa. Okay, so let's close this order. Okay, I'm closing this order because it looks likely. It looks like price is drifting down, but I don't want to take uncalculated risk. So if it's drifting down, I have to wait for breakout and retest. That's all. And in 15 minutes time, volume is going to come in. So, ooh, guys, look at Euro USD. It's drifting down. I love this. I love this. Beautiful. So if I go in from here, this is 6 pips, 10 pips is going to be here. And we'll call it a day. Okay, let me remove this. This is okay, but we can still could still be valid. Let's see what ways we can benefit from this line. Yeah, can still benefit from this line. It's very possible. Okay, let me look at YouTube to see if anyone is asking any question. So far, no person is asking question. On trading view, no question. And Vimeo. Vimeo. Not Vimeo. Twitch. So let's see. Nice. I like what I see on Euro USD. I like what I see. See, it appears as if price is going to drift up, but then I just wish I can see price actually fake out into this zone and close back inside. It's going to be very beautiful. It's going to be a very nice confirmation. I want to see price fake out a little bit into this zone and then go back. That's what I want to see. If I see that, I'll be so excited. If it doesn't go back, it's fine. It's fine. Because what is very important in trading is that you understand that you cannot go against the trend. You cannot go right now. Can't You can see clearly that everything is pointing that we're in uptrend. You see lower low, higher low, higher lows, higher lows, higher lows up there. Everything is pointing that we are moving up. This is a consolidation and breakout and stuff like that, right? So everything is confirming that we're moving up. So why would you sell here? I mean, it is insane. I mean, it's suicidal, right? Let's assume I sold from here. Yes, I'm going to make the profit. Yes, I'm going to make my 10 pips, but then it's insane. I cannot do this again next time. Nice. I like what I see. There has been a fake out already. Nice. Awesome, guys. This is beautiful. I want this second candle to close bullish. If it closes bullish, the break of this candle by the next candle is gonna be my entry. But I want to be careful not to just to make sure that I'm not gonna be trapped in this zone because maybe what if this is actually a breakout and a retest smart money shift here. That is something I need to be careful about, right? So let's see how it goes. Let's see how it goes. Hello, Kiki. How are you? It's good to have you online, Kiki. Good to have you. Really excited to have you. Okay, the break of above is gonna be my jumping area. Nice, 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 nice. Please break, 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 break. Please. Still not broken. My broker still not broken. On trading view is faster than their shadows, so they're trying to play us. Not trading view anyway. It's a liquidity provider from for FXCM. I just want 10 pips, just 10 pips. I'm done, all right? So 10 pips. Now, the fact that I want 10 pips does not mean that I don't have the brain to exit the trade when I see that I'm wrong. So definitely I'm going to exit the trade if I'm wrong. Okay. While I wait, let me just impute my TP. Okay, so it seems we're going to close the position. I mean, close the order. It seems we're going to close the order, but let's give it. Do not forget this position is not triggered. Okay, it's not triggered. I want to see what price is doing because to me this is going to go up. To me, price is supposed to like move up crazily. And guys, listen to me carefully. At exactly 8:27, I'm going to exit every position. Okay, 8:27, I'm going to close all positions to pave way for the news. Okay. I mean, guys, my brokers. I don't know for some reasons trading view is not activated, but my broker order got activated perhaps because of spread. So let's see. So I'm risking 6 pips, 6 pips for 10 pips. Oh, price wants to go against me. I'm sad. This is not good. Let's see. At 427, whether I'm in profit or not, I'm going to close everything. That is 3 minutes from now. Okay, do not forget that 3 minutes from now. Even if you lose connection, find find connection and close your trades, because CPI is not something you wanna compete against, right? It's a move. It is move that is worth it has the ability to move 300 pips, 400 pips, 1,000 pips. So you better be careful. I don't understand how. As per my broker, this high this candle high is actually somewhere here. It's actually somewhere here as per my broker. But then as per TradingView FXCM, the liquidity provider, this is what we have. So what is going on? Is this some sort of method of scamming people or what? Oh no. Oh no. Ho ho. Funny. Okay. I guess my stop loss is gonna be hit, but it's fine. It's fine. I'm completely okay. If the news comes up now, what we need to look out for is, I hope nobody took this trade because the high of whatever we're looking at has not broken, but the high of my broker, I mean, as per my broker, the high is broken. So this is the difference between me and you right now. So I'm short 6 pips now. So we're gonna make it back. So now I'm just gonna be quiet and look at price to see what price is doing. That's all I can do now. Okay. And I'm gonna be very straight with everyone. Please make sure you use proper risk management. What we're about to trade now is news. It's not something you want to uh, do sleep over. It's not something you want to sleep on. Okay, please take care of your risk management. It's very vital. It's so essential to this news. You better risk less than usual. I think that's the right language I actually see myself using now. Okay, that alarm was for me. Alarm set for me to close all pending positions. Any single position open for me to close it. So it has come on now. What we're waiting for now. Do not forget, if I don't see any satisfying condition, I'm not going to open any single trade, man. We're talking about my money here, right? So if I don't get any satisfying conditions, I'm not going to open nothing. So for those of us that joined me in the morning, it's good to know that German index actually hit our take profit. Okay, German index actually finally hit our take profit. It's really good to know. I'm happy that it hit our take profit, but I'm not happy. That is our take profit of 140 pips. It's hit already. I'm not happy because I wasn't there when it happened. I'm not happy because I wasn't there. I waited. It wasn't happening. I have to go. I can't be online forever. I've got other things to do. Nice, nice. See what I told you guys? This line is essential. So you can see all these touches, right? It came up to touch here. I expect some sort of touch on this line. If I see touch on this line, then CPI news means that price is dropping. And so to this extent, guys, I think it's better we switch to NAS because NAS is actually why we are here. Euro USD just some sort of part time. Just drop a comment if you need us to say something on Euro USD, okay? If you drop a comment, then we can attend to your comments, okay? Accordingly. Whoa, I like what I see. Guys, I really got an open position, some sort of position open on Euro USD since what time? Let me see at what time. Okay, let's talk about this later, guys. It's next time. So what matters now is that I'm in huge profits now, so I need to close all of them out just in case CPI wants to mess with us. CPI, guys, CPI. Everybody, ladies and gentlemen, I give you CPI. I give you bloody CPI. It's gonna be bloody. So just 20 a few seconds to go. So looking at 1 hour, you're going to clearly see that we are at a very important level, right? So it makes sense if we keep respecting that level, okay? So breakout, 1 minute breakout out of this level is what I'm waiting for. If I see strength and I get breakout accordingly, then I'm going to take action. So here we go, guys. Oh, lolo. Hey, hey, guys. See Euro USD? God damn it, guys. This is insane. So, guys, just be online and have fun. Please don't take any position. Don't take any position. I'm closing my sales. My sales, I'm in huge profits. I told you guys I took a sale before now in the afternoon. I even forgot, and it's multiple positions. Damn, man, come on. Close out everything. Everything. Go, 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 go. Damn, 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 damn. Close out. It's not closing. What nonsense is this, man? My positions are not closing. Shit, man. What kind of rubbish is this, guys? I'm dumping this broker. I swear to God, I'm dumping these brokers, man. Shit. Now I missed out on all the trades. What the fuck, man? If I had seen this, this is the best place to get in. What the fuck? Guys, this I'm not gonna take any trade now. The volume is too much. Damn. See what I talked about? Price hitting this level. Damn, man. Why do I get distracted when I need to make money, man? Damn. This was a perfect place to take a trade. We stop loss at a 7 pips. So you quick. This is easiest profit to take. Okay, guys, let's sell just one time here with a very tight. Oh, no, 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 guys, don't do that, please. It's too much, please. The stop loss is too much. Don't worry. Let's wait for price to relax because we can't sell now. We can't sell now. It's too much. Please don't sell. Don't sell. This is too much, please. It's too much. It's going to be too much. Man, sorry guys, we have to wait for NYC open really because I can't deal with this. I'm going insane right now. I just missed a very fantastic opportunity. I have everything at my fingertips, man. Look at it. Look at it. Price touched here. The next place supposed to touch is here. First of all, here, and it's happening. God damn it! I hate Xness. Wallah, I hate Xness. If Xness did not refuse to close my positions, perhaps I would have gotten in here, guys. Still not able to close. God damn it. Guys, see what I'm talking about? I'm not able to close any of these positions. That's multiple. I'm not able to close nothing. This is bullshit. Okay, guys, let's see if we're actually able to enter. Just 1 second. Let me look at. Yes, I think we are at a very important level. This is a very important level here. But then I don't know how important this level could be. Let's see. Yeah, it's actually a very vital level. So my question now is, how is price going to react to this level, right? Yeah, it's actually a very important level. Let's see if we can get anything. See what I'm looking for, guys. Please don't jump in. What I'm looking for is a move, an impulse, then correction. Okay, we're going to get in at the corrective wave. We're going to get in if we get a correction. If we don't get a correction, forget about it, please. Okay, please, just for your sanity, don't be like me. Because right now I'm going insane. I can see profits out of my money. My profit go into, my account doubled, and with doubling, nothing. I can't still close my nothing. Nothing's working. My account doubled, and I still cannot close nothing, and it's beginning to reduce again. It's stupid. Whoever recommended this broker to me, I'm going to sue the person to court. Voila. This is insane. So, what's he gonna do now? My friend, nothing. I'm just gonna wait. Nothing else. There's nothing I can do. Just gonna wait and see what my broker is doing. There's nothing I can do now. Oh, it's closing now. Oh, thank God. Oh God, it's closing now. Damn. Thank you, Xness. Yeah, yeah, guys. Come on, baby. Come on, come on. Yay. I even got more profits. Okay, now I can trade with my sanity. Good. Good. Woo, guys. Again, it stopped. Again, it stopped. I couldn't close all. I closed the last one. This is beautiful. Okay, now is the time, guys. Now this is the deal, okay? For NAS, God damn it. Price is moving so fast that I don't even know what price is trying to do anymore. Let's target 50 pips at least. Let's see how many pips this is. 27. Yeah, this is good. Okay, guys, this is gonna be a sell, okay? So if we're able to pull through, it's gonna be awesome, okay? Gonna target somewhere 100. Let me see if this is no. Sorry, guys, it's not gonna be possible. Let's target this zone. This is the zone we're looking at, right? Yes, exactly. So this is the zone we're targeting, okay? So this is what it's gonna be. Let's sell the moment this candle breaks below, okay? This is it. Targeting 74 pips. Guys, do not worry. This it will never happen again. Really, I know some people are pissed off because this is really some sort of waste of time, really. Okay. So what we should have done, ideally, what we should have done is for NAS, taking a trade here is so okay. For Euro USD, taking a trade here is actually so risky, right? So risky. So I can't have taken any trade here. It was for Euro USD, right? So for NAS would have been our best option. You know, seeing price. Remember price jumped up so much, right? Price jumped up so much and released 22 pips at the same time. Okay, right? So we would have set our sell stop somewhere here. Not really set stop. We would have targeted price. The moment it reversed, we take a sell with very small risk. See this? Looking at the movement, this is a very small risk, right? Taking all this 1 minute. When this 1 minute candle close, this was going to be 261 pips. This is actually what I wanted to trade. This is actually what I wanted to happen, but unfortunately, I couldn't handle it. Apologies, guys. I don't need to apologize though, but at least a lot of people hopes to make money today with me because they know I'm a killer, right? So for Euro USD, let's hope for 70. Imagine where Euro USD we are projecting 74 pips for Euro USD. Let's, by the way, look at the outcome of the news so that we don't go and lose anything. Nice. It's good for US. So US is going to drive these guys, pull these guys down. It's good for CPI, core CPI. Everything is nice. So now let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4. Damn. Really, I don't have any other plan here. My only plan was to take advantage of this move from start until here. I wasn't even looking at touching. I know it was going to touch this line, but I was looking at closing up to 90% here and letting 10% run. But look at it. It just clipped me. It's fine. It's fine. I'm only going to get into NAS at NYAC Open because the main move has happened. Everything happening here is going to be deceitful. I better stick with Euro USD that at least I understand how it moves. So I want everyone to make up your mind to lose this money you are risking here because I'm not sure how this is going to react. What I wanted to trade today was this move. This candle was what I targeted. Unfortunately, I couldn't get it, right? So can you imagine one candle, 1 minute candle, moving how many pips? 65 pips on Euro USD. On NAS, moving up to 300 pips, if I'm not mistaken. On NAS, moving down up to 340 pips. Oh, sorry. This is 2 minutes. 270, 270 pips approximately. Come on, come on, come on. We need this to happen. This needs to happen. We can reduce the loss, or do I say manage the trade, once we get a closure, a bullish closure above this level, right? Above this level. And then the break of that closure, we're going to close. We don't need to wait for our stop loss to get hit. Okay. This is not making sense, really. We missed the main trade and we're just here mitigating. This is bullshit. Seems like we're going to get a trade on us after all. I'm going to get a trade on us after all. Yes, we're going to get a trade on us. Guys, just hang on in there. I have scheduled the second stream to start in the next 30 minutes, so I'm going to cancel that stream and come back here so I can continue from here. So what I want you guys to do is to hang on because it seems we're going to get an opportunity here. 12435 is a very important area, and price is halting around there. Okay, so and I love what I see. So in the 1 minute, let's wait for 1 minute to do what? To break out. Don't get into any position. Let's wait for it to break out and retest. We want to see that retest. That retest is what is vital to us. Okay. So if you're in this sell position on Euro USD, please close it out. I'm gonna close mine. Closing it out is the best option for us right now. I don't care even if it's going down now, I don't care anymore. I just have to wait for us, man. After wasting all our time, the moment I said close, it started going down. Can you imagine, guys? That guy is sick. Just go ahead and close the Euro USD. It's okay, it's fine. So I'm gonna dump Euro USD now, like for the day, and focus on NAS because I have more. But let me look at this before I dump it because this guy seems to be a serious guy. Perhaps I shouldn't dump it. I should just hold on. Yes, Euro USD is as well at a very important level. So let's see how it's gonna handle that level. Price is gonna slip through and move to the next one or not. We don't know. Let's see. Let's see. Yes, I like what NAS is doing, guys. I like what NAS is doing. Shut, man. Guys, this would have been us. This would have been us. I have never caught any fantastic news trade like this on live. But I promise you, next time there's news, we're going to cash it. I'm going to put aside all distractions and cash this. This is not making sense, man. This is a lifetime earning. Like, you could use the money you earn from this to buy helicopter. You know what I mean? This is 273 pips. If we had gotten in here, hey, get in, get in. The next thing you see price here. I'm telling you, some people are going to request for my account number. They're going to fund some. I mean, give me some money. I mean, you know what I mean. So this shitty broker that I use, actually prevented me from having this phone. But I'm not going to forgive them. I'm going to change broker. I'm done. Even German index as well moved 14 143 153 pips. Well, let's just focus. Let's focus. What I want is to see, I want to see a stroke, a wave move up. If it moves up, then we're going to take 50% to 61% feeble level and allow price to get to that level. Once price sits on that level and starts ranging, we look for a breakout. Do not worry for anything. We got this. Okay, guys? We got this. There's nothing to worry about. We've got this. Full time. It's going to take just patience, guys. Be patient with us, okay? Whatever thing we're doing here, we're doing it for everybody's good. Just gotta be patient with us. Okay, let me just give a literal interpretation of what is actually happening here. Okay, let me show you guys what is happening here. This is actually what we're waiting for. We're gonna get in soon. Okay, look at this. Okay, so price has touched the area, the level we're waiting for. So if this guy closes bullish and the next one open or didn't close bullish, we need to get two sets of bullish candles. If we're able to get two sets of bullish candles, then we can hope for price to continue moving up. Okay. This is literally do I say moving against the trend? I wouldn't say that. I wouldn't say that this is actually moving against the trend because as at now the trend remains bullish, right? So this is so just some sort of correction that found support. We assumed that has found support at this level, right? Because this level is a very important level. So let's see how price is going to react to that level. And price 1 minute is already reacting. The only condition that is going to make us to cancel this trade is the condition whereby this low is broken. If this low is broken, then we cancel this trade. Otherwise, our aim is to get two candles like this one and two, this one and this two. One, we have gotten one. So if this two, second one closes bullish, the break of this second one, we're gonna get in with very small stop loss. Okay, I'm not saying that is most likely going to push all the way back. No, we just want to see if we are able to get at least 50 to 100 pips. It's enough. It's enough. Okay, it's more than enough. If this candle closes bullish, I mean bearish, then it cancels everything. So this cancels everything. So we're beginning to wait afresh now. At least if we're able to secure a position now, to get in now, getting in perhaps. Let's see. The hell, man? Why is all these peeps I've been seeing everywhere? Perhaps suddenly they all they, they all disappeared. Man, NAS is insane, man. Believe me when I say that you will not understand until you begin to understand. Okay, I got a couple of messages. Oh no, it's strong down. Good if here in PH. Okay, it's okay. Good morning from US. Woo, guys, good to see. Okay, guys, you can see obviously this is really taking us away. Okay, now we're going to get our position just shortly. Just give me some time. Let's get our position. Let's just quickly look at what price has for us here until the next 1 minute closes. That's when we can be able to. Let's look at this level, right? This is a very strong level as well on its own. Okay, so how do we see this? This is how many pips? More than enough to feed us for 1 week. Okay, so if we can secure a break below here, the next candle, voila, I will get into position. I don't care. Oh no, 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 guys, because we have a couple of minutes for next 1 hour to close. Unfortunately, I'm not gonna do that. Sorry, guys. Even if this candle drags into moon, I'm not gonna get into any position now. We have just 6 minutes for 1 hour to close, so it's a risky game to play right now. If it happens, it happens. If it happens, it happens. I don't feel happy that I canceled the trade, but then we have to wait. Unfortunately, this is actually a very nice opportunity, but I have been, clicked a lot of times for trading few minutes into the end of 1 hour. I will never do that again. I swore never to do that. If I tell you how much I've lost doing this, then you're gonna tell me, "Oh, you are right." It's the wrongest thing to do to get open a position few minutes to the close of 1 hour candle. Open a position few minutes to the close of 4 hours candle. Do you want to survive? Do you even want to make money in trading? Just stay away. Just stay. I would advise you to stay away. But if price is moving in a direction, if you want to take the risk, go ahead and take the risk. It's okay. It's fine. For me, not for me. I'm not going to ask anybody to do that either. looking all beautiful. So I'm gonna, since this candle has finished its task here, one, two, and what about this? This. Yeah. This is done already. Three, and this, yes, this is done. Four. This as well. Of course, I know my levels, so it's done. This as well is done. So see, our target TP was hit without us even getting into position. Now I think I deserve everyone on this stream $100 for missing the trade. Comment if you agree with me. And make sure before you comment for me to give you this $100, make sure you like my video. Make sure you like my streaming. But it's not a guarantee, by the way. This is all looking beautiful, guys. It's looking so beautiful. Unfortunately, I'm not going to be part of it, okay? If we go in here, perhaps now we're getting 50, 40 pips. So it's beautiful. Unless what you want to go home with today is 40 pips, just hang on in there and wait. Okay. Okay. What happened today? I will never miss news trade again. See what I told you guys? Price is trying to, people are sellers are taking profits now because the hour is about to close. So price definitely is pulling back. So Euro USD was about to die and then it's still dying. This is unfortunate, man. Very unfortunate. Yeah, my good friend, we're gonna go short, but we have to wait. Let's just wait a little bit for 1 hour to form. Okay, if 1 hour forms, well, I'm gonna remove everything on my charts and redo a fresh analysis that we need to follow because already CPI news automatically we've lost the opportunity, right? So what we need to focus on right now is uh reanalyze the price action, the market conditions, so that we'll be able to, get into positions. And really, my target, because of the volume I've seen, my target today, I don't want to go home today with not anything less than 100 pips from NAS. And if I'm taking Euro USD position, I don't want to go home today with anything less than 20 pips. Okay. So let's just keep this in mind. Let's keep it in mind. Let's see. Come on. So I've got to wait until next month. Man, this is bad. I hate this, guys. I hate this. When is CPI news? When is next news? Can't even see next news. Okay, next October 13th. So October 13th is the next news. Damn. 13th is the next CPI. So I have to wait for the next CPI. But before then lies uh my guys, non-farm payroll and inflate. What news? A second, guys. Second, please. Let's see. PPI. No way. PPI is confusion. Yes, this is the next news I'm actually looking out to trade. Core retail sales is actually not as strong as NFP and CPI, but it has volume. It comes with volume as well. Oh my God, 5 o'clock. The news is moving. Really, I don't have the confidence to open any position. Really, I don't know why. Guys, really, I have to disappoint everyone. Really, I have to disappoint everyone. I don't have the confidence right now to take any position. I'm not gonna lie to you. Really, I'm not gonna lie to you. I'm not gonna lie to you. So instead of losing your money, guys, save your money. Come back tomorrow, okay? Now, just to make sure that you don't miss out completely, this is me, okay? Join me here, just in case you are joining me for the first time. Join me here. Search for this name, Telegram, okay? Search for this name on Telegram. Join me there so that I get updates on all my trading activities, okay? It's very important that you do that so that you don't miss out on any of our signals, okay? For now, I don't have the morals to take any trade now, honestly. I wanted to reanalyze, but then let's reanalyze first of all, then we can, let's remove everything. Let's remove everything. It's going to take time because uh join me on this handle Telegram channel so that we can meet every day, okay? So let's go to daily and see what daily is doing at the moment. Daily is super bullish, but what makes you think that this guy is not going to reverse and keep going up? Because as long as I'm concerned, the trend is bullish. See what I'm talking about? This week just turned bearish because of this news, and I'm not bluffing about it, but it seems it's going to reverse after perhaps by tomorrow it's going to reverse and continue moving up because the way I see it, weekly time frame needs to touch 2581. Okay, daily time frames turned bearish. 4 hours turned bearish. This is beautiful. Now it's good to reanalyze, guys. It's beautiful to reanalyze. So this is our strong level now. Okay, now we have confidence that we can actually see a trade even during NYC open. Okay, any position we take from anywhere here, we can actually take it until this Euro USD. Are we doing this on Euro USD, guys? No. My sorry, guys. My concern right now is NAS. You said them about Euro USD. NAS is the game now. It's like, by this time, if you know me, by this time I don't talk about Euro USD. I just take NAS because NAS is going should have volume by shortly. Okay, this should have been, but this is still so. Still have very nice opportunity here. Very nice opportunity. Look at the previous 1 hour. You're going to see at 4 hours. You're going to see it close without a bottom wick, telling you that price possibly is going to pull back a little bit. So now, if price should pull back, where is it going to land? If price pulls back, it's going to land around here. Okay. So for that, let's map out this level as our target, just in case price pulls back. Okay. Let's make sure we are on the safe side. Okay. So looking at 1 hour, that's the longest candle I've seen in a while, guys. Longest. It's beautiful. 460 pips. This is beautiful, guys. So beautiful. Okay, we're not gonna eat beautiful, so we're not gonna eat beautiful, so let's just keep it simple. Okay. So let's keep this very close to us so that we don't lose it because And then in 30 minutes, nothing, nothing. I can't see anything. The only thing I can see now is that this is a very important level. We just need to relax and see something. After all, we are in an uptrend, right? See, we are in an uptrend. So the trend remains bullish. This is just some sort of correction because, when you begin to see stuff like this, it's when important news is coming up. For a few days, we're going to be seeing shit like this, nonsense like this, right? Look at how 1 minute nearly corrected all the moves we've had for days. Since how many days now? Since 5 days. We've had this move for 5 days. From this day 8, been having this nonsense move, and almost just 1 minute nearly corrected all these things, right? So it makes sense to understand how these things work. Just make sure you follow me on Telegram because we're going to be getting more of me. For the past 7 days, is it 7 days? We have not lost any trade. We've been winning every day. We've been winning. Did we? Yeah, I mean, we have not lost any day. Even if we lose a trade, we make up for that trade immediately. Okay. So that's what I could tell you. Just follow me on Telegram and see more of what we have to offer. This is an important level. We expect price some sort of pullback to happen, and that pullback, we should take advantage of that pullback completely. Okay. So let's see. It seems the pullback is beginning to happen already. Seems it's beginning to happen already, but I just want to be sure. Nice. I think the pullback it has kicked in. It has kicked in completely. So this is my 1 minute, but let me look at 15 minutes and see just to be sure that I am right. Yes, I think I'm right. I'm right. Yes, I'm right. Yes, guys. So this is it. Don't worry, we're not going to lose anything now. So, should we open a position here? I suggest let's wait until this candle closes. If this candle closes, then we can open a position above it. But we need to apply proper risk management, please. Do not jump in because I said we've not lost for the past 7 days. If we lose this trade, I'm not going to take another position. Just to let you guys know, okay? If we lose this trade, I'm not going to take another position today. So be careful, please. Okay, where the hell is that? Suddenly this guy disappeared, right? Guys, at this point in time, I'm not going to get into any sell position. If price continues to drop, I'm done. I'm not going to take any sell position now. It's too late. What I'm waiting for now is a pullback that's going to, move all the way up to this level. That's what I'm waiting for, okay? Anything outside this, voila, I'm not going to open any position. It's too risky, guys. If you're a seasoned trader, you know what I'm talking about. It's too risky. For the sake of our sanity, I'm going to leave this here. Okay, I'm going to leave this here. Just for the sake of this trade, I'm not going to draw any extra lines. I'm just going to stick to the lines we've cut already. If this closes above, I want to see a second one close above before we get in. Okay. Normally, my charts are very, jagged and scattered. Well, for the sake of today, I'm going to keep it simple. What we are doing technically, we're not going against the trend. What the mentality we have now is that, oh, there's a news release that is actually in favor of Euro USD. I mean, that is in favor of USD. So it's driving all USD pairs down. Yeah, it's good to have that mentality, but then technically speaking, we are still in an uptrend. We are still in an uptrend. So let's see. We can actually take advantage of this. If we just get 50 to 75 pips, we jump out. That's all. I'm a scalper, right? And scalpers are the most patient people I've ever seen because you have to be patient. Once you see what you're looking for, jump in and out in 1 minute. 2 minutes, maximum 10 minutes, you're out. It's very beautiful. So price is consolidating now. The breakout of this consolidation is actually going to be the market direction. And just like I've told you guys earlier, I'm interested in buys, not sells anymore. So if you want to sell and price breaks below here, go ahead and sell. For me, I'm not going to take any sell position. For me, do not get me wrong. For me, I made my money on this news, in as much as it would have been a very huge mistake if price had gone up, right? I opened that position in my my flipping account or whatever I would call it, and I left it. I forgot it there. It was when price started moving. I was trying to set up new room for new positions. That was when I discovered that wow, I have an open position and it's really going in my favor. So let me set up an alarm here just to alert me whenever price breaks here, so that I can just tell you guys, if you wanna sell, you sell. For me, I'm not selling shit. Mr. Mitch Kuabo 28. I'm not gonna sell anymore today. If price goes down, you are free to sell. It's okay. But for me, I'm done with sales. NFP Open is gonna be so fun, guys. What do you think? Let me know in the comment section, please. NFP Open is gonna be so fun. Okay, guys, you can see this range is broken already. So if you can get this guy to close below, then I'm gonna advise, if you have the bias for sales, please you can go ahead and sell. Okay. Let me quickly while we have, okay, we don't have to, just once it gets broken, then we sell. Then before I mark out position where our target is gonna be. Okay. So guys, for me, I'm not taking, but if you wanna take, this is your sell here. Okay. Selling with stop loss above here, very tight. It's gonna be about 40 pips. Okay. For me, again, I'm not taking this position. It's gonna be about 40 pips, and target. Oh, okay. Okay, I think this is target enough. It's very nice target for us. I don't want to let price run into these weak rejections here, because it's gonna be very, uh, it's gonna be a concern. So this actually is the area I'm proposing as RTP. Okay. So I'm gonna be here. Do not worry. I'm gonna be here to manage the trade with you guys. There's nothing to worry about. Okay. If we need to add more positions, I'm gonna tell everyone. If we need to close as a result of market condition changes in market conditions, I'm gonna let everyone know as well. Okay. Do not forget, this could result as to loss. I mean, price could actually hit your stop loss in this transition, so you have to be very careful. So I'm selling now. I mean, not me. I'm recommending sales now. Okay. So let's kind of visit US 30. Another good friend of mine, not good friend I would say, but then it inspires me a lot. Yay, man! The first minute of US 30 guys moved close to 600 pips. Are you sure that we're not gonna switch to US 30 guys? Damn, CPI is bl- bloody son of a bitch, man. Excuse me. CPI release is one bloody killer. Imagine someone took a buy here without a stop loss. I am 100% sure. Even his stop loss is not going to be hit, even if he has a stop loss. There's going to be slippage. He's going to be margin. His account is going to hit margin call, guys. Yay! Yay! This is this. No matter what I do, I still have love, very large heart for Euro USD. I don't know why. Still have very large heart for this pair. No matter how I decide to close it, I still open it. Okay, that's all I want to see. Now, just make sure you have joined me on Telegram so that we can Telegram together. Do not worry, it's only gonna hit your stop loss and nothing else. It's not gonna take your life, okay? These things you shouldn't be worried about these things sometimes. Just risk what you need to risk and let it be. It's only gonna hit your stop loss. It's not gonna take your life. As long as you have respected the initial thing you should do, which is respecting the risk, what you can afford to lose. That is when it's not going to affect your life, okay? So let's hope NYSE Open is going to move the price in our favor. If it doesn't, we'll call it a day. Or we could wait to see if price is going to relax a little bit. Then we open a second position, okay? I never wanted to open a second position today, but I feel I'm not sad. I made my money. Don't get me wrong. I made my money already. I'm not sad, but I feel for whoever joined me today with hope of making money. Okay, because that is what I stand for. I stand for making money and not creating 1,001 rules without making money. This is very unbecoming. I don't like this. Really, I don't like this. I don't like this. The way price is moving is just the volume suddenly died. Have you guys noticed it? The volume suddenly just died out. Nothing, nothing, nothing. Okay, I'm gonna mute myself for a while. Not forget use proper risk management. Okay, that's all I'm gonna recommend. This is a range and it's been broken out. Unless this is a fake out, that is when price is gonna jump back, close inside, and break out the other way around, right? If it's not a fake out, then we expect our uh, insinuations to come to fruition, or whatever it's called. Let's see. I'm gonna mute myself for a while, please. So we have barely 5 minutes to NYC open. So let's see how NYC open is going to treat our position. That is, if we don't hit stop loss before that time. Okay. Let's see. Let's see. Let's see. This is really taking more time than I thought it was going to take. Really, I mean, it's taking quite a lot of time. Really, I want to see a swipe down. I don't know why this is wasting a lot of time. If it's gonna go up, then hit my stop loss and then come back and retest. I'm gonna get in again. This time around, I'm gonna open a position by myself because that's actually something I'll be waiting for to see price break out, then come back down to retest some, between 60 to 88% of the wave. So barely 4 minutes. Barely 4 minutes to go, guys. Barely 4 minutes. So, what do you think? NYSC, is he going to do us good or is he going to bullshit us? Let me know what you think, guys, please. I want to know what your thoughts are. NFP, well, after NFP dealing, so do I say the outcome of NFP on the 2nd of September? Voila. I don't want to see another NFP. NFP went haywire and cleared one of my accounts, one of my trading accounts for some I like I told you guys earlier. I set out some some fraction of my profits, put them in one other account for flipping, just to see how much I can flip it and stuff like that. So one of those accounts got go wiped out completely. So in previous this month's NFP is really not is I don't know how to explain it, but then it's created some sort of whipsaws and it's not healthy. Make sure you're using proper risk management. That is less than 3% or maximum 3% of your entire capital. Make sure that is what you are risking per trade. If not, I'm sorry, you can never make money with Forex in Forex. Never. Never. Like literally not possible. If you have $10,000 in your account, make sure that the maximum you are risking is 300. Okay, and 300 means that you're taking one position. Okay, if you want to take up to 5 positions in a day, then you have to split this 300 into 6 places such that it becomes not into 5 places. That is, it becomes $60 each trade. Risk $60 for each trade. Okay, if you can follow this simple principle, believe me, in 1 month, even if you have 40% win rate, in 1 month, you're going to see growth. Otherwise, it's going to be an endless loop of struggling. Naturally, human being is greedy and we tend to act out of greed at every given opportunity. So, 70 minutes to NYSE Open. What is it gonna be? Guys, he's coming. Yay! Okay, now, after CPI news, I don't think there's going to be volume, but if there's volume, glory be to God, we take advantage of the volume, right? Okay. Is there going to be volume? Man, come on. Let there be volume, please. There shouldn't be any silly move here. I'm hoping on this volume too. Now, I don't like what I see. I don't like what I see, okay? So, looking at this, guys. I don't know what's going to be the outcome of this trade. Really, I'm telling you on time now. So if you want to exit the trade, you still have a couple of pips to go. If you want to exit the trade, you still have a couple of pips to go. So it's better you exit it now. If this breaks above, then this is the messiah we are looking for. Yes, hit stop loss first, go to some extent and come back and retest. If you retest, stop loss hits. So this gone. This is the first. If we make up for this loss, then it's not the four. Is then there's no first loss for the week. Okay, if we are able to make up for this loss, then it's not going to be the first loss. It's going to be zero loss. Okay, so hang on in there. Price is moving fast. I saw that. I saw that. Right. Initially, you saw I would have gotten into position here, but then it's of no use because price normally should come back down to retest before it continues moving up. So I better wait for that retest to happen. Okay. Yes, I know it's moving very fast. Yeah, I know. This is actually what I've been waiting for, and it's happening now. After I've taken a trade in the opposite direction, but it's okay. Let's see if we can get price to come down to this area. Then we can laugh and smile. Let's see. Let's see. Let's see. 10 seconds to go. 10 seconds to go. 10 seconds to go. 10 seconds to go. So 40 pips lost. So now it's gonna be. I don't know. Should I take this? Oh, sorry. Should I take Fibo? What if this is actually retracing, guys? No. Okay. Let's see. Let's see. It's okay. It's a two-way door, right? From that bottom to this, it means this level is where you should retest to. Then if I take it down to this area, yeah, almost the same level. So approximately the same level. Let's see how price is going to react here. Now, if you follow me, if you watched my morning streaming, you are actually going to see that I said something about these two candles, right? Candles that look like this. So perhaps we can take advantage of that now. You can see how that works now. Let's see. Let's see. If this closes this way, then we hope for price to continue moving up from here, and our stop loss is going to be somewhere here. Okay. Oh, six. No, man, I can't risk 60 pips for nothing. No, not possible. After every news release, we tend to have some expansion in pips. If you understand what I mean. So this is what I'm looking for. If it doesn't work out, nope, I will go home. Because literally, I mean, you don't have to tell me that after all this move and getting price to this level, very important level, that will continue going down. We need to go and retest. If there's no retest, then there's no trading for me again. I tried, it didn't work, so I don't want to risk nothing again, unfortunately. Price continues to go down. I'm gonna call it a day. I'm gonna take the loss. It's nothing. Like, gonna take it. Normally, I don't like losing in my live stream. Don't like it a lot. I don't like it. So obviously, it has blown past the area I expected it to. So let's see how it's gonna react around here. If it reacts fine, nice. If it doesn't, I'm not gonna sell anything because I'm waiting for retracement, and this is not retracement enough for me. So, guys, obviously, I'm not gonna take any more positions today. Let me go home with my loss. I don't wanna take now. This guy shot me out and is going in my direction. Who does that, guys? So, happy to have you guys online. I hope to see you guys tomorrow. Really at what time again? Let's see. Tomorrow at 11 a.m. Okay, 14th, which is Wednesday at 11 a.m. Believe me, we lost 40 pips today. We're gonna cover that up, so there's nothing to worry about. On a very good day, we should actually make 100 pips in the mornings, but then for some reasons, see. Okay, guys. See you guys tomorrow. Bye bye.